back to Food Prep Guide. Today we are making brown sugar. It is honestly one of the easiest things you can make at home, and once you do, you can mark brown sugar off your grocery list forever. It's a wonderful feeling, and it makes all of your baked goods taste so much richer, fresher, just has a deeper taste to it. Everyone's going to ask you what the secret ingredient is, and you will know it is the molasses in your homemade brown sugar. Trust me, it is that good. So for brown sugar, it's really more of a ratio than a recipe. It's just 1 cup sugar to 1 tablespoon of molasses. If you like dark brown sugar, go a little heavier on the molasses, maybe 1.5 to 2 tablespoons per cup. If you like light brown sugar, do a light tablespoon to your sugar. And that is it. I'll be right back once I have this all into the bowl. Okay friends, I just want to show y'all this real quick. This is 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of sugar, and as you can see, it's pretty light. So if you want light brown sugar, you should probably stick to the 1-to-1 ratio, 1 tablespoon to 1 cup that is, but I want a rich dark brown sugar, so I'm going to keep on going. I'm probably going to add another 3 to 4 tablespoons, and I'll show you what that looks like. And here is what the brown sugar looks like once it's all mixed up. You can see it's nice and brown, looks very similar to what you get at the store, but tastes so much better. You'll notice that I switched to my stand mixer. That's because my muscles were hurting and I realized I do not have the manpower to mix this up really good. So I switched to the stand mixer. I used the paddle attachment, but that is just because I could not find my whisk attachment. It worked, as you can see, but I kept having to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Like I kept having to stop the stand mixer and continuously push down, push down. I had continuously had to scrape it off of the paddle. If you have the whisk attachment, whether you're using a stand mixer or a handheld mixer, go with the whisk attachment instead of the paddle. That's what it looks like. When you're determining how much to make, what I do is I just go by my container size. This is an 11 cup container, so to fill it up, I go ahead and just do 10 cups. So this recipe that you see right here is 10 cups of sugar to about 10 tablespoons of molasses, though I did do a little bit more because I wanted a darker color and a darker flavor. But once again, that ratio is 1 cup of sugar to 1 tablespoon of molasses. I will drop that recipe in the description below, and then I will pour this into here, show you what that looks like, and that's it. And there you have it, homemade brown sugar. Just to answer one quick question that I'm sure is on your mind, how long will homemade brown sugar last? And we are a family of 5. This is a 10 cup mix, and it lasts us about 6 months. So I can say for certain that this will last at least 6 months, but I would imagine you could get close to a year because sugar is a natural preservative, and the molasses does not cause a moisture issue like you would think it would. I guess mixed with the sugar, it's not an issue. So I hope you are encouraged to make your own brown sugar at home and enjoy.